Vero Software, our valued partner to Seco Tools. We're here at their headquarters in the Midlands, where Edgecam have their user event where their customers can find out the latest updates to their software. Richard, thanks very much for your time. We're here at Edgecam user event, which obviously they're using your facilities here, but could you tell us why it's so important to partner some of the companies?
Yeah, it's fantastic for us to be able to offer this facility for our partners. It's all about collaboration. The biggest thing for Seco is we think our value-added service is to provide a whole solution, and we work with lots of partners, so collaboration is very important for us. So to welcome our partners and their users to our facility is it's a win-win for both of us. It gives us the option to show their users what we Seco are all about and our value-added services, but we've got a fantastic facility and we love to share it with our partners.
And I presume it really sort of brings in a lot more people because of the facility you have here.
Yeah, the whole purpose of this facility is to make it an attraction, to bring people in. A lot of people don't realise that this is actually a production unit as well, manufacturing bespoke tooling for many sectors within the industry. So it's good that when our partners bring all their customers into the building, they can actually see what we've got here. And as a company, you know, one of our core values is family spirit. We love to talk to partners, their partners, and just share what we can do for them.
Nigel, thank you very much for the time to talk to us here at the Edgecam user event, but could you tell us why you're here?
Yeah, I'm a user of Edgecam, together with a friend of mine, Mike Francis, who's based in Ormskirk, and collectively we produce models and moulds for model flying and space modelling in particular.
And how do you use Edgecam?
We use Edgecam to enable us to produce aluminium moulds before we then make composite mouldings and things like that.
And in reference to why you're here, what benefits does it give you by coming to a user event?
I meet up with other people who do similar machining and we can learn tricks from them, and hopefully I can pass on some weird tricks that we found and help them in their day-to-day jobs.
And I'm assuming that the event is all about the next generation of the software. Does that help?
Yeah, I mean, we try and update when we can. We don't always do all updates, but we do the ones which are relevant to us. And today I've seen some updates that Mike and myself can use, which should help us with some of the toolpath technology and things like that.
And without Edgecam, could you do the options and the types of planes that you have here?
Not really. I mean, you'd end up making one piece and then maybe trying to make polyurethane moulds or silicon moulds. Repeatability would be awful, but at least with this, you can make the same piece time and time again with the same accuracy. Fantastic
facilities at Seco's. What do you feel about the event here?
Oh, it's really good. Location's really good. It's right in the Midlands, so most people can get here, easy transport routes, but you also can meet people who are using machine tools and can do things like that. So Seco are really good for machine tools, and with Edgecam you can interface, and it's a holistic approach to what goes on, really.
Mike, thank you very much for your time to come away from the Edgecam user event. Could you tell me why you're here?
Yeah, basically we normally come along to these events just to see where we are with the updates on the software, how far it's developed, what's in the pipeline for the future, and really what can help us. It's such a wide piece of software. Oftenly we only use a small part of it, and what happens is you tend to miss it. So the other parts of the software that's there. So it's good to just sort of get a refresh and understand the newer parts that are in there and some of the old parts that we've just missed.
And do you find that there's a benefit by meeting other engineers here as well?
Oh, that's a big part of it, is to actually sort of talk to other people. There's nothing like talking to another user that says, well, actually, I do it that way, not that way. And you go, oh, I hadn't really thought of that. So, yeah, it's great to actually sort of, as the Americans say, network it, really.
Mike, what have you learnt today, what's coming in the future from Edgecam?
Well, really, we're here just to see what's coming up in the future and understand, you know, where that's going to fit into our business model.
And the Seco facility here, is this a big draw for you?
Oh, definitely. You know, it's a wonderful facility. It's good to come around and have a look at the machining, talk to the guys about the different tooling aspects. Once again, it's just a development thing that's going on all the time.
Mike, thanks very much indeed.
No problem. Thank you.